Everybody knows this clamp, but guess what? Siegmund got something special. So this is our C extension. 28. Just use your standard clamp, put this on the bottom here, and you can use it just as a clamp. And the cool thing is, this is M10. Just on top there, and then just use the prism from Siegmund. And for all the tube lovers, it's brilliantly perfect. And this guy works with every type of clamp like this one, and got different options. As needed. So guys, if you need more information about this, write it in the comments. Otherwise, go to our website in our online shop, check this out or ask your dealer.